Good morning, all. In our last class, we discussed about research, what research is. We explained the concept of research and we cited some example. That research is an investigation into a problem in order to what? To find out the immediate or the remote cause of that problem. You want to know that what is you observe a problem and you want to know what is the cause of this problem. And when you get the cause of the problem or the reason for why the problem exists, then you can now make recommendation and conclude with conclusion and your recommendation. That's what research is. And I also said that in academic, whether you are doing any degree program, before you can graduate, you must write a project. A project is also a research in your area of study. And that will be the focus of this course. We're looking at how to write academic projects and also the area of data analysis. So last in our last class, we also discussed the process of research methodology. So today we'll pick each of those processes one after the other and we'll discuss it. If you remember, in the last class, I showed you a chart of research methodology, what research methodology contains. It starts from the first thing is picking your topic. When you have to pick a topic, a researchable topic, you make sure that that topic that you are picking is researchable in the sense that when the topic is good enough to give you the answer to the questions you want to ask your research question. So depending on your area of study, and your area of interest. That's where your project topic will come from. But mind you, while we talk about the project topic, there are some things that you must have at the back of your mind before picking the project topic. Firstly, you must look at the time, the duration. You have 1 semester to write your project. Don't pick a topic that will span for 4 years. There are some research topics that they are continuous. We have to collect that data for another 2 to 3 years before you can make a conclusion. So don't pick such topic. Also, you look at your finance. Whenever you want to pick topic, make sure that you look at what you have in your purse. Research may be expensive to carry out. So if you pick a topic that will be expensive, you may not be able to finish up. Fund may be a problem. Financing the project may be a problem. Also, if you want to pick a topic, you must pick topic that is in area of specialization of the supervisor. Every academic have their area of specialization. So most supervisors will want you to pick your project topic within their area of specialization so that they will be able to what be able to supervise the project appropriately. So you may take topic to your supervisor and he will reject it and he doesn't want. That does not mean that topic is not good, but it may be that that is not even his own a research interest. Also, sometimes you may pick a topic that is not empirical. When we say when we say study is empirical, is that you will need to collect data. There are some topics you will pick that they are more just like essay or article. Those ones are not acceptable in academic research, especially in your project. We want project is what is an empirical study. When you say something is an empirical study, it means that you collect data, whether through experiment, whether through questionnaire, whether through interview, that you must collect data. So that is what makes empirical. All this must be put in place, and all these are some of the criteria that you will follow before you pick a topic. Pick a topic, and when you want to pick it, also you pick on current issues. There are some topics that we have just too much work on it. Research in that area have been flooded. If you pick any topic in that area, your supervisor may not accept it. But they want new and evolving topics, things that are happening. For instance, if you are in the medical and profession. What is in happening now is COVID-19. If you pick any topic around COVID-19, your supervisor will likely approve it. So make sure that whatever topic you want to pick is not an old work or one that many authors have worked on. Pick something that is unique. Also, have it in mind. Time, the time frame. Pick something that you'll be able to finish within a limited time. Two, look at your finance. Pick a topic that you'll be able to finance. Three, look at a topic that is in what is in within the area of your supervisor, within his research interest. Don't pick any topic outside his research interest. He may not likely approve such topic. So we are out to call caution. Many of us will go online to search for topic. By the time you get these topics online, it now becomes difficult to write. When you pick topic online, try as well to sit down and look at the topic well. If you can adjust it to your own taste, so that because what you pick or what a person wrote is what he can do. Make sure that the topic you want to pick, even if you get it online, adjust it to something that you know you can do. That will be easy for you to do and you will do at the right time and you will go. Not something that will now delay you for another 2 to 3 years. So let's be cautious of this. So having talked about topic, how to pick academic topic in research, I'm going to give you an assignment that the assignment should be submitted by 5 p.m. on Wednesday. And the assignment is that you pick at least 3 topics in your area of interest that you want to use as your research. You submit that to me. 3 topics, minimum of 3 project topics that you this is area you want to work on. And by the deadline for submission will be 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Thank you for listening.